Hello, my dear friends. This piece is called Party Animal. The talent collides, the engine ignites, the party is already starting. The place and the food bring wonderful mood. The sorrow and gloom are departing. We sing and we dance. The night will advance. 2 hours of early morning. When party is done, we'd have lots of fun, communicating, performing. And then in a week comes yet a new streak of fun which has never been stopping. Life now consists of turns and the twists. At times it involves party hopping. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Keep party hopping. Life is a party. Enjoy it.